Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a person with crossed arms, and we're going to use the stick method. So grab your pencils and let's get drawing. Well, first things first, this is a simple process in which you just have to draw the person's head over here, and you draw down from there you have the neck as well as the body. From there you have the hips, and you have like a leg and a leg and a leg, and then up here in the body you have the shoulders, and the shoulders will kind of go down and over, and the other arm will go down and over. This is the stick method. It really doesn't get more difficult than that, but I promise you this isn't the end of the drawing. So the next thing you want to do is you want to look at this drawing and say, from these stick pieces, how am I going to get these arms together? So we're going to establish that the right arm is going to be the arm that's going to be in the front. If that is the arm in the front, what you need to do is get the elbow and first draw it like this and like that. So this is essentially going to be the outer arm that's going to sit forward, okay? Remember you have your elbow over there as well. And if that is the outer arm facing out, you're also going to have an arm that's behind. So this over here is going to have an arm that comes around as well, and the hand will kind of go like this, okay? So again, this one's tucked into the arm. So tuck it in. Keep erasing if you need any changes, okay? We'll get the person's shoulders on here as well, the neck. And you know, the head isn't an important part of the drawing, but we can put it on there as well if you want, okay? All right, quick sharpen up. So we're crossing the arms here. This one is underneath, and this one basically comes around like this. So if that's the case, this arm over here is going to be in front, and this one over here is going to come not so high, right? You don't want it, you kind of want it going like this, and in this case it's going to be like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can connect the fingers as you wish. And the thumb is probably either tucked or either just kind of there as well. So that's fine, you know, we're okay with that. And then of course the body would perhaps continue down over here. And you just want to look at it, see if there's anything that perhaps you went a little too quickly on, and I always do that myself, so kind of want to clean things up as best we can. Back here, the calf's a little too much, and over here, this little thick in the front. This is coming towards us, but certainly doesn't need to be, you know, so protruding, right? So we just want to be aware of that. But yeah, that's basically kind of your knees over here, 1 foot over there. Maybe over here there shouldn't be as thick, but that's okay. So at this point we kind of look at our drawing and say, you know, are we happy with what we have? We have arms crossed, kind of one over another, and yeah, I guess it doesn't hurt to maybe get this on a marker. Let's do that, and let's see if we can just make this look a little bit better. So I'll be right back. I'll just put the marker on. So that's pretty much it. That's how you draw a person with arms crossed. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.